Welcome to another video. Let's solve for x and y. Okay, from here. Now we have 2 exponent x plus y equals 8 and x squared plus y squared equals 5. Now what we know from indices is that anytime you have 2 raised to x plus y equals to 8, we can express this one as 2 to the power 3. The idea is to get equal bases, therefore paving way for the powers. So from here we can equate the powers since the bases are equal. So we have x plus y equals 3. Alright, so x plus y equals to 3, and we can name it the first equation, as simple as that. So the next equation, x squared plus y squared equals to 5, remains the same here. Okay, now how do we solve for x and y? That is a big question mark. Alright, now the only problem here is the x squared plus y squared, but anytime you have x plus y all squared, is the same as x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. Now let's be very careful here. We have x squared plus y squared here, okay, and it's what, 5, and we have x plus y here and it's 3, so we can do substitution here. As simple as that. That's the only trick in the question. So we have x plus y, so and x plus y is 3, so we can put 3 here. That will be 3 squared equals to x squared y squared is 5, so 5 plus 2xy, so that will be 9 equals 5 plus 2xy. So from here we have 9 minus 5 equals to 2xy, that is 4 equals to 2xy. So we can divide both sides by 2. This one will go, so we have 2 here, 2. That will be 2 equals to xy. So we can call this one the third equation or the third expression, since we have this, that. Okay. Alright, so x plus y is also 3. That is the equation 1. So from equation 1, that is x plus y is equal to 3. From equation 1, let's make y the subject. So y is same as 3 minus x. Okay, so y equals to 3 minus x. So let's call this one the fourth equation. So we can plug in y here. So we have 2 equals to x times y, but y is 3 minus x. So we have 3x minus x squared. So we can arrange this one as x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. So we have a quadratic equation. It means x will have 2 solutions here. Okay, so let's go ahead and solve for x. So let's use the almighty formula. So we have minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac on 2a. Remember, when you compare this one, so ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a is 1, b is minus 3, and c is 2. So we can do substitution here. A1, b minus 3, and c is 2. So b is minus 3, so plus or minus 3 squared minus 4 times a is 1, c is 2. On 2 times a, that is 1. So we have, so minus minus plus or minus 9, so minus 8, 4 to 8, yeah, on 2. So we have x 3 plus or minus square root of 1 on 2. So we have 3 plus or minus 1 on 2. That will be 4. So we have 3 plus 1 on 2. So that will be 4. We have 4 on 2, or so 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 on 2, which is 2 on 2. So the answer x equals to 2 or 1. Remember, we had to solve x. So x, y. So we have 2, we have 1. So when x is 2, y would. So let's bring back y. Have y equals to 3 minus x. Y is 3 minus x. So when x is 2, y will be 1, because 3 minus 2 is 1. And when x is 1, y will be 2. That order. Hence solved. Alright. Okay, that's that.